Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping back into the elegant world of late 1950s Italian motoring, to explore one of the most refined small grand tours of its time, the 1959 Lancia Appia GTE, crafted by the legendary Carrozzeria Zagato. This isn't just another classic, it's a masterpiece of engineering, artistry, and aerodynamic design that embodies the golden age of Italian craftsmanship. So, buckle up, and let's take a closer look at what made the Appia GTE such a special piece of automotive history. Exterior. Let's start with the exterior. The 1959 Lancia Appia GTE was based on the Appia sedan platform, but Zagato transformed it into a sleek, lightweight Grand Tourer. The GTE stood for Gran Turismo e Sportiva, and you can tell from every curve that this car was built for both performance and elegance. Its aluminum body kept the weight incredibly low, around 850 kilograms, allowing it to perform far beyond what its modest engine size might suggest. The front end features Lancia's signature narrow vertical grille, flanked by round headlamps that give it that timeless, elegant face. The roofline flows seamlessly into a graceful fastback rear, a hallmark of Zagato's aerodynamic design philosophy. Even in motion, the Appia GTE looks fast, long before you even turn the key. Interior. Moving inside, the interior is pure 1950s Italian artistry. Everything feels handcrafted, from the polished wooden steering wheel to the finely stitched leather seats. The cockpit is minimalistic yet purposeful, a blend of luxury and racing spirit. You'll find a beautiful Jaeger instrument cluster right behind the wheel, giving the driver essential info with precision and style. Despite being compact, the car's cabin offers a surprisingly comfortable driving position, thanks to Lancia's thoughtful engineering and attention to detail. The doors are lightweight but solid, and the thin pillars provide excellent visibility, ideal for spirited touring on Italy's winding roads. Performance. Now let's talk about performance, the heart of the GTE. Under the hood lies a 1.1-liter V4 engine, producing around 60 horsepower, which might not sound like much today, but paired with its lightweight body and aerodynamic shape, it could reach speeds of up to 160 kilometers per hour. The engine was mated to a 4-speed manual transmission, delivering smooth and precise shifts. And of course, Lancia's hallmark sliding pillar front suspension and excellent chassis balance made the Appia GTE a joy to drive, nimble, responsive, and full of character. It wasn't built for raw power, it was built for balance, control, and elegance on the open road. In conclusion, the 1959 Lancia Appia GTE represents everything beautiful about mid-century Italian automotive design. It's rare, handcrafted, and timeless, a car that tells a story of passion, precision, and the pursuit of perfection. Whether you're a collector, an enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates design and history, the Appia GTE stands as a testament to what happens when art and engineering meet. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this trip into Italian automotive history, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more classic car stories every week. Until next time, arrivederci, and keep driving with passion.